Hey guys, this is Sana and you're watching Sana Works. So after so many long days, I'm wearing this saree and also I have created this look for saree only. I have already draped this saree once, I think 2 years back. So I thought let's do a saree makeup look after so many long days. So yeah, this is the summer wedding guest makeup look. You can create this makeup look on your friend's wedding or any other's wedding, on relative's wedding. You can create in any occasions because this makeup is very appropriate for summer season and sweaty climate because I have used lots of matte products and very minimal product also. And also this lipstick is appropriate for this look because this stain won't remove even after your full meal. In further video you can see all the details of this makeup look. So yeah, let's begin the video. So it's my bare face. Let's apply moisturizer. Today I'm using mattifying moisturizer from Equals, which is one of my favorite. When you keep your base lightweight, then your makeup gonna stay long lasting in summer. After moisturizer, you must apply sunscreen. Actually, I forgot it today, but you guys must apply. And I got one pimple, so I'm gonna fix this with pimple patches. I bought this clear acne pimple patch from Miniso. They claiming it prevents against scarring and it has 36 patches. This is how it looks. There is a various sizes of patches given for pimple sizes and I have already used a couple of times. This time I got in a cheek, so let's fix it. Now gonna start makeup. Here I am applying color corrector to hide my hyperpigmentation. Today I am using concealer brush to apply corrector. I just need to correcting on around my mouth and eyelids, bit on nose crease and forehead. Can you see after good blending my face looks similar color on all area. Now foundation, it's my favorite brand and I have used another shade in this brand, but I'm gonna use new shade which is 340, last shade in this Fit Me range. And it's a 16-hour foundation and it has SPF 22 PA++, which is great for summer makeup. Here, I'm just dotting on face and blending with the help of brush, and this foundation is super lightweight and matte. So great formulation for sweaty face. If you are a beginner and brown skin like me, I definitely suggest this Fit Me foundation. And applying concealer only on pigmented area. The concealer which I am using is also from Fit Me range. Shade is Cafe 50. This will keep your pigmentation hidden for a long time. Now it's time to set these products. Here I am using compact, not using loose powder today. This is the shade 330. Again it's from Fit Me range. It's a perfect compact for oily skin. That's it for base. Now moving on to eyes, we are just going to use two shades only. So today I'm gonna use Moira palette. You are blooming like a perfect flower. So I'm gonna take this shade named called Family. It's a dark brown shade. Applying on crease. Today I did not do a fast forward. I just showed it as it is for you to know how eye products would be blending. Here I am just blending in the outer V corner and crease, not taking too much products, just took one swap products only. And next is shimmer shade name called Flower, which gives you a beautiful vibrant shimmer look. I am taking in my finger and applying it on lids. After first application, I felt bit lighter, so I swapped again and I applied on inner lids. Now you can see the brighter eye look. Eyeshadow is done. Now for eyeliner, I'm gonna use gel eyeliner from Dazzler Etana. Today I'm not gonna do wing. I'm gonna smudge little bit over the line to give more natural pretty eye look. Just smudging with the same brush, this mainly to avoid stiff lines. And also for some eye makeup look, this step gives you a more pretty eyes. And now cleaning the underneath brows, and now I just felt I need some bright look on center face. For that I applied same concealer, but this time this is exact matches to my skin tone, so I took this mass blend foundation which is 2 shade lighter for me, just dotting on center face, blending, that's it. This is mass blend foundation. Formulation is great for summer, but we don't have perfect shade. And again I took same shade name called Family from palette and blending on lower eyes. Little bit blush, it's from Makeup Revolution palette. Now cleaning the brows with spoolie first and applying brow powder on outer line, not in a inners. And again running the bare spoolie on eyebrows, and now just highlighting the inner corner. Mascara is from Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. This mascara I got it as a complimentary from purple.com. Actually it's a waterproof mascara. Actually what waterproof mascara पूरा lashes को ही dry कर देता है. I won't recommend this waterproof mascara at all. Now for lips, I'm gonna applying this drip mist from Mass Cosmetics, which is tinted lipstick. Shade is Rosewood. For today's look, I just chose this drip mist from Mass Cosmetic because this is tinted lipstick and it stays for a long time. If you are attending an event, obviously you eat something. Definitely on that time, you no need to reapply the lipstick cause this tinted is beautiful and long lasting. Okay, makeup is done and I draped Saree and I applied bit highlighter in off cam. So now let's wear jewelry. This is silver oxidized neck piece. Actually my hair is disturbing me, so I'm tying it first. So this neck piece which I bought it from Sarojini Nagar for just 100 rupees, you won't believe this. And for earrings, the Bali Jhumka. Ek zamana tha I was obsessed with this Bali Jhumka. Still I love it. So now it's time for bindi. I always prefer stone bindi for wedding guest look or any events. And for now, I didn't like the free hair for this look, so I took some hair from front and both sides and clip it at back. Now it's perfect. So yeah guys, this is my overall look. Hope you like it. Personally I like the look very much, and also this makeup is going to stay for 5 to 6 hours without any touch up, so this is very appropriate for summer sweaty climate. So yeah, let's meet you on next video. Bye bye.